Hey guys, using the P.MAI Violet Clean Kit is super simple. First, you'll want to plug in the kit using the cable and wall plug that it comes with. Next, you'll notice that the kit comes with a metal tray and 6 UVC LED lights on the bottom and 6 on top. This ensures 360-degree sanitization. I'm going to go ahead and take my object that I want to clean, such as this remote control, and then I'm going to carefully place this center loop, which has a magnet in it, through here. So this tab needs to go through this loop here, and that acts as a safety measure. This kit won't start unless that tab is through that loop. I'm then going to zip up the kit and then press the button once to start the kit and press it a second time to start the sanitization process. You'll see the purple light illuminate to indicate that the sterilization process is happening. This takes about 3 minutes, after which the light will turn off, the button will turn off, and it'll be safe for you to remove the items. And that's it.